I'm a big believer in saving money, but it can keep you from being rich, and I'll tell you why. Let's imagine you save 100% of the money you make. But wait, you can't, and that's the problem. You can only save up to whatever you make, and not even that. Another better question is, how much money can you make? Now that's an interesting question because if I make a quick phone call to my buddy, Jeffy Bezos, his answer is going to be unreal. Okay, Jeffy is on another level, but still there are millions of people that make more money through passive income than we do working. Yes, some people make more money sleeping than you and I do working. Most of these people can do this because they invested for a really long time. Now this takes a really long time, but it's a great way to do it for a lot of people. I'm actually doing this myself, so worst case scenario, I'll be 65 with a few $1,000,000. Okay, maybe not worst case scenario, but you get what I mean. The other thing I'm doing, and I guess it's the whole point of this video, is I'm working on ways to increase the amount of money I can make because there is no limit to that, and I encourage everyone to do the same. Now this is a lot easier said than done, but it has been easier for me to try to do because I'm not living paycheck to paycheck and worried about just making it to next pay. I have developed good money habits that have allowed me to work on things that I actually enjoy and not have to try to sell things that I don't believe in just to pay the bills. I've even made a 30-ish page guide where I help young adults reach a net worth of $50,000, and that's absolutely free. I'll link it in the description if you're interested. Now this is something I can offer for free because I'm not scrambling to pay my bills. I'm not just barely getting by. By the way, if you don't know what net worth is, it's just a dollar amount that tells you how you're currently doing financially or how you're doing financially at a given time. It is really important that you know what that dollar amount is for you. So if you don't know, I encourage you to check that out. Check the guide out, it's free. Anyway, saving is great. Saving is important. You should save money, but don't put more effort into saving than you do into making more money. And if you're having trouble saving money, then a budget will help. I've made a video where I walk you through a budget with an easy to use tool called EveryDollar, and if you're interested in that, you can watch that here. Or if you're interested in my plan to reach $100,000 net worth, you can watch that here.